Happy morning, children. This is chapter 6 in 12th standard computer application, where we are going to see about the looping structures. Already we have seen a for loop, for each loop. In today's video, I'm going to explain about while loop and do while loop. So as I have already explained about loop will execute one set of statements for n number of times. Okay, so that for loop is available in all the programming languages, whereas for each loop is exclusively available in PHP, and that too is used to access the array elements. Okay, so here in this session we are going to see looping structure, while loop and do while loop. While loop. The while loop executes a block of code as long as the condition specified in the while statement evaluates to true. That means till the condition is true, the code which is given inside while loop will be executed. The while loop will execute a block of code as long as the condition is true. As soon as the condition is false, whenever the condition is false, immediately the code will not be executed and the control comes out of the loop. Able to understand? See the syntax we have seen. Now the example for while loop. Initially the student underscore count is equal to 10. That is, student underscore count is a variable name which contains 10 as a value initially, and next is student underscore number is 1. So two variables are assigned. For each and every iteration, these two values are compared, but after the execution of the body of the loop in the block code, it is given clearly to increment the value. The student underscore number is initially 1. Okay, after typing or after printing the student number is, immediately the next statement is to increment one value for student underscore number. Okay, then only it will check. So first iteration, what is the body of the loop? Echo, the student number is $student underscore number. So initially first iteration, you consider first iteration with the value student underscore count 10. Okay, it is entering. The control enters into the body with the initial value of 10 and 1. The control enters into the loop. So first it is checking. Student underscore number is 1. 1 is less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. So immediately the code inside the flower bracket will be executed. What are the statements available in the body of the loop? First line will print student underscore number. That is, 1 will be printed and it will move to the next line. BR is used to move to the next line. See, immediately the student underscore number plus is given. So initial value 1 will be incremented. Now the student underscore number is 2. With that value, the control moves to the condition. Okay, so 2 will be checked with 10. So definitely 2 is less than or equal to 10 only. So again it will print, 2 will be changed as 3. So the 3 also the condition is true. 4, 5, for 5 also the condition is true. But when it reaches, student underscore number reaches 10, imagine that 10 is less than, not less than, but equal to 10. So 10 is equal to 10. Yes, the condition is true. So it will print Next iteration, the student underscore number is 11. For that condition only, the condition evaluates to false. Then only it will come out of the loop. So for 11, it will not print. Till 10, it will print. Okay, able to understand? See the condition, initialization is given outside. But in for loop, how the initialization condition, test condition, updation is given. Okay, so for initialization, all these are given in the same line in for loop. Whereas in while loop, initialization, all the loop will have three clauses. That is initialization, test condition, and updation. But this while loop will contain initialization outside, whereas the condition will be available in the while statement itself. While condition. Next in the bracket, code to be executed. Code to be executed is given in the inside flower bracket. Okay, so inside flower bracket in the code itself, they have given the updation. So all the three clauses are given. Initialization outside, and in condition in the while statement itself inside bracket, and updation finally inside the flower bracket. Okay, in this way only the while loop executes. Next comes do while loop. Before entering into do while loop, I'll execute this through coding. For executing the while loop, I need to start the XAMPP server, exam server. So click start button, search the XAMPP exam control panel. If you double click the XAMPP, you will be getting this XAMPP control panel. Okay, so this is called a XAMPP control panel. So start Apache and MySQL. So status change detected running is displayed. So you can get confirmation that your XAMPP server is installed and running properly. Then minimize this. Go to Notepad, start typing. What is the given code? A same example I'm going to give. Close, open angular bracket, question mark, PHP. Then variable name is $student number or underscore number. Student underscore number is equal to 1, semicolon. Next, dollar student underscore count. Count is given 1, student underscore number. Student underscore count is equal to student underscore count is equal to 10, semicolon. Then immediately you have to open while loop. The condition is student underscore number is less than or equal to student underscore count. Okay, this is the condition. So after giving the condition, open flower bracket and type echo the student number is colon student, which is given in your book. Okay, student underscore number. Okay, after that you can use br tag, then double quotes, close the double quotes and put semicolon, not colon. Okay, semicolon. Then you have to increase cow number. So student underscore number plus plus. This is used to increase the one value, even though double plus is given. Already we have learned about this post increment operator. Then close the flower bracket. After that you have to close PHP also. Now save the file. Where you have to say, you have to save the file. Okay, so you have to save the file in the location where exactly the XAMPP server is available. In my system I have installed in i:colon. Name the file as while loop. Okay, .php is very important. Save the file, minimize the notepad, go to browser, type local host. Already it is available, local host. My files are available here. In this I have to select while loop, where it is. While loop. Here it is. Click this, see, student number is 1, student number is 2. Like that it is printed. Okay, able to understand? You got the output. Now coming to do while loop. Do while also will be similar to while loop, but that while loop is considered as entry loop, whereas this do while loop is considered as exit loop. Why it is considered as exit loop? Because the condition is available at the exit level only. Do some code to be executed. Do means immediately it will execute the set of code. After that only, after coming out only, it will check the condition. So this is considered as, this loop is considered as exit check loop. Okay, whereas that while loop is entry. While entering in the loop itself, the condition is available, so it is called as entry loop. The do while loop is similar to while loop, but executes the block of code at least one time, once, before evaluating the condition. So here see the syntax. Do means immediately it will execute the code, but after at least once. First it will execute the code and then only it will check the condition. So even if the condition is false for the first time, one time the code will be executed. Condition is evaluated only at the time exit of each iteration. Condition is evaluated at the exit level, so it is called as exit check loop. So at least one time it will execute, even the condition is false. See, starting the loop, do something, then only the condition is checked. Do something means this happens at least once. Do while loop runs the loop code first and then only it will check the condition. Okay, if the condition is true, again it will do something. If the condition is false, then it will stop the loop. Okay. See the example here. Do this statement, that means execute the set of statement, then you can check the condition. See here the same coding is given, but the condition is at the exit level. We will execute this same coding and check. Okay. Already the exam server is in status ready, detected changed, running only. So the same coding I have opened, but the condition will be given here. The statement, this statement alone you have to cut and copy, paste here. I am pasting here, but what should be given here? Do same set of statements, then finally you can check the condition, or else you can place it here. Okay, so we'll save the program, minimize this, then go to browser, localhost, same while loop, only I have typed. See, it is given clearly, but the condition is same set of statements we have given. But when the condition is false, when the student underscore count is 11, sorry, student underscore number is 11, that time it will stop. Able to understand? So in this video we have learnt about while loop and do while loop. You should be very clear about the syntax of while loop and do while loop. Then only by following the syntax you can write the example. Same set of coding will be returned. See, the coding for this is do print this, and you have to increase the number also. Then it is checking the condition. So first time 1 is printed, then again student underscore number is becomes 2. Again it will check 2 is less than or equal to 10. Condition is true, so it is executing the same, like 3, 4, 5 up to 10 it will print. Okay.